to become Poco Ninja. Why am I? Oh, okay. Oh, it's time to become a Poco Ninja, and I'm already getting attacked. Oh, okay. I gotta get a buddy. I now have a twin. I have a useless twin. That's a log, apparently. Oh, wait. Oh, there's someone there. Get him. Get him. I'm gonna get you. Oh, okay. I got attacked. Okay, we spawned here, and, I'm gonna try to attack him. Okay. Oh, what happened? Oh, I killed someone while I was blind. Go back to here and then... No, that's not me. I died to a bacon. Okay, now time to go out again. Hi, Bacon. Are you the one that killed me? I'm gonna get him. That's what you... Oh, where am I? Okay. Oh, I just ran away. Nope, that's not me. And BAP! But imagine you're just playing a normal server and you just see this. Oh, I have low health. Why are you doing that? You trying to snipe people? Nope, no. Ah, I died to this guy. Wait, the person that I died to looks like that he's gonna fall over. Did he use a avatar generator? The avatar profile? Oh, okay. I killed someone. Okay. Oh, nope, you didn't get me. Okay, let me go right here. Oh, I'm gonna go around. Oh, it's the bacon. It's the bacon that killed me. Okay, I completely dodged him. Nope. I'm gonna get ya. How did they know? Oh, tricked. Okay, I'm gonna hide in this treehouse. Oh, I just fell out. Wait, that's not even him. I died to a bacon. What was that number? That number was like 9999999. Okay, I see a rampage going on in here. Okay, someone just took half my health. That wasn't even a real person. Okay, let me... Oh, I'm dead. Let me go. Oh, shit. Why do I keep on dying? Okay, okay, I'm almost dying. Okay, I literally just died to someone, but then I died to someone, but I literally just did a buddy, so it looked like he was killing my buddy, even though there was another person. Okay, I hit that this one is literally hard mode. The katana is faster than this one. I'm gonna die with 0 kills. It was not... I thought I was just trying to hide. How is everyone so good at this game? I'm gonna get this penguin to die to global... Do you know why that the penguin is already dead? The penguin is actually dead already because of global warming. Have you ever heard of... Why is it called a kunai? Kunai, that sounds like Spanish word. That sounds like a Korean word. Bacon already tried to attack me even though I was at the spawn already. Oh, I'm going to the... Oh, someone just sent me a friend request. I will be a friend. That's not me. Wait, what? Why did they just see me? Oh, was that my twin? It could be. Okay, I am losing. How fast? I gotta go in this house. No, I'm not in this house. I'm not even gonna be in the air. Then we're gonna be like, where is that person? I just clipped food. No, clipped food. Can he kill you? Oh, I only have half health. I am half health. But the waterfall is gonna be nowhere to hide. Like, where do you hide? Where do I hide? Oh, okay, I just saw an AFK person. Or that could be a fake person. Can you? I don't think you should be. I killed a person. Where did that person come from? Dude, I'm not even here. I'm just a hallucination. Oh, I just saw someone. Yep, he's right there. They're right here. How did you not? How did you? Oh, I found you. I still see you. I still see you. I see a tiny speck. And that's how I see her. Ah, she just jumped off. I killed someone? Nice. Looks like that they just jumped off the edge. Oh, I died. And they got a new record. Did I? Oh, yep, I did. We already know what happened, so I'm gonna skip it. Okay, back. Oh! You scared me! You scared me! You scared me! Can I get you, please? Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. Whoa! You scared me! I just killed someone before I died. I killed someone before I died. What was that? I killed someone before I died. That was the best Oh, I died. I'm back. Dun, 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 dun. What's the kunai? What does this? Ah! Someone's behind me. Nope, you can't get me. I'm just a hallucination. Oh, I was trying to act like a person that I try to act like a clone. Or I see that knight that keeps on killing me every time I spawn. And I literally just killed someone before I died. Oh, he's okay. Oh! No, I'm not that. No! Why do I keep on getting flung? Like, my body parts keep on getting flung. I had the worst spot. Oh. No. Dead. You died. I don't think you should be AFK in a game like this. I'm coming for you. Wait, there's a hiding spot right here. Choose. You have to choose. Oh, I was trying to be smart. And a beacon killed me. Okay. Okay, I see someone. Bye. Lucky 666. Hi, can I get some dinner, please? Oh, it's not even a real person. Yep, it's a log. The pig! And oh, jeez! You're scaring me! Why can't I jump? I couldn't jump. I couldn't jump. Wait a minute, you could... What? I can't press the button anymore. So okay, I'm gonna do a challenge where I can't make clones. Even though I can clearly do it. Go, little rockstar! Oh, it's now up in the upper screen. Oh, hi. Oh, okay. Dead. Wait, they had zero? They had zero. So that means it's their first time playing, right? Oh, I can't touch the floor. I'm gonna do a challenge where I can't touch the floor. I can't touch the floor! Dude, what am I doing right now? I wonder how killing is gonna be. How hard killing is gonna be. Oh, I just almost touched the ground. I'm not gonna count that up. You can click. I can't jump. What is this? Okay, that didn't count because I was stuck. How hard is killing gonna be? This guy is just chilling up here. Where did he go? Okay, I'm back. And now in the game. Bop, 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 bop. How did you? He just was like, no, you're not gonna kill me even though I spawned. Okay! D! I got you. Mass mark. Can I sit right here and have a sleep? Okay. You can see me right here. Come, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Boom, 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 boom. I boom, boom, and yeah. Wait, this might be a good height. You scared me. Why do people keep on scaring me? They literally scare me even though that they're not even scary. Oh, okay. That guy scares me more than everyone does. Sorry, but I am not playing this. Hello, my children. Hello. Today I'm playing B-Face. And don't ask me why I just did everything. But except for these ones. I'm living on farm life. And someone's 26. Someone's on 26. Well, what is that world called? Arctic Expedition. Oh, that sounds like a game. That sounds like a game. That sounds like a game on Roblox. I should probably play that instead. This game is just too bad. Okay, I found the game, but you can't just do a screaming person. I might not play that. Okay, I'll just play this one. The thumbnails are all just real life pictures. Traveling to Antarctica, play. Select a country to represent. No, that's not me. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, okay, just does it above me. Wait, this person is the same country as I am. None of my flags are here. Flags. You have to buy flags. Oh yes. If I had that much Robux, I would be able to buy flags. Oh, I need equipment. I don't even have anything. Why would you go to Antarctica when you were like this? Slowly represent. Wait, my blue skin literally represents everyone in Antarctica with nothing. Why do they pronounce nothing like that? Oh, I can't even get a flashlight. Like, oh, I got my mask. Extra stamina? Can I have my boots? I just don't even need extra stamina. Hi. Oh! You scared me. I don't think that's how people in Antarctica. These people are in Armenia. They could probably meet each other. Brazil, UK, Ireland. That's an island. That's America. That's America, definitely. Okay, let's start. Where is it? Oh, that's not even where you start. Where do you start? Can someone tell me where to start? Hello? Do you know how much stamina I have in my first? Guys, where do I start? Where do I start? Where do I start? There's nowhere to start. You start on a boat? What? You start on a boat? Expedition Center? Is this where you start? Where do you start? Where do you start? What is this? What? Oh, I think this represents global warming. Guys, you probably wonder why there's a ball in the. You probably wonder why there's a ball. There's a ball. Why is there a ball? Should I tell them I'm recording? Should I tell them I'm recording? I'm recording. I just told them while I'm recording. Hey, do you want to be in a video? Do you want to be in a video? Do you want to be in a video? He was so happy that. Why the people saying Reese? Do they want the recessed peanut butter cup? And I'm not just making my first thing. I thought out of the world because someone did a box. Wait. Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna pretend I never saw that thing in the chat. Wait, look. Do you know what I can do? Someone just deleted my part. I was just trying to do this. Someone just deleted the part in my hands. Nope, no, you can't catch it. You can't catch it. Okay, up. Oh, it's not deleted yet. Is someone deleting me? Oh, I'm in the ground. Okay. Just let me be in the ground. No. I want to just crush myself. Bop. Bop. Ah! Hey! Oh! It's a bridge. I'm walking. When will this ever end? I don't know. I'm still walking. I'm still walking. I could probably make a loop. Still walking. I'm still walking. I'm still walking, guys. What the? Oh! That would skin me every time. Wait. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way, dude. That's the wrong way. You're just going back to the start. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way, dude. Normal. Can I crush myself with a pot? Useful. You shuffle and I couldn't get you past your street. Dun dun. Okay, let's just. Why did they delete what I was making? What is this purple light? What is this purple light? Is this a new guiding light? Okay. Ah! I'm gonna die from fall damage. Oh, it happened again. Okay. Ah! No. How do I? iPod. Ah! It's too high. It's too high. Wait, can you die before it happens? I saved the world. I saved the world from Baller. Okay, did it. Wait, why is there just a square right here? Like a dollar in the streets. It died. Why did how did they do that? They just crushed, oh. Wait, you can literally bounce. Ah! What? It's the alphabet, Lord? I didn't even notice that. E is gonna get smushed. I can still see E. I can literally still see E. He's just right here. He's literally right here. What if that happens again? I can still see another E. I just noticed that it was E. I was like, wait, what? It's E? Oh, looks like they support. Am I lagging because I am invisible? No, you. No, you just died. Oh, I just put saw. You just died. What? What is this? What is this? What am I standing on right now? Why is... Oh, I think this person is trying to make the back rooms. Oh! Wait, we're gonna be in the back rooms? Wait, what is this one part in the air? What is one part in the air? Did I just... Oh, sorry. I have to do this to you. Oh! I just went into the back rooms. I went into the back rooms. I went into the back rooms. E is gonna make you no clip out of the back rooms. E is gonna crush you. E is coming for you. E is coming for you. Wait, that's the wrong one. The E above you. You don't get that much air. Wait, I went into the back rooms. Yep, just definitely went into back rooms right now. The E's are... Can I get out of the back rooms? Oh, yep, I can. Wait, I can actually just get it back into the back rooms. I can get back into the back rooms by just making a giant block by the size of a lemon, by the size of a Ferris wheel, by even larger. Where am I? I'm stuck in the ground. Can I get out? Can I? I see a big block there. And it's coming for me. It's coming. Why is it now in the air? Scooby-Doo. Okay, I'm not gonna sing that. Can I get back into the back rooms? Hey, dude, I really need to go back into the back rooms. Surata. Why do I keep on? I really love that song. Let me go into back rooms. Bop. Bop. Wait, this is time to turn the collision on. What's wet? Oh, there's a block. Time to go for that block. I'm gonna jump onto this block. Hablas español. What am I gonna do with that information? Can I run like smooth? Stop. I do speak Espanol. Wait, can I? Oh, I did the jump. You just need momentum. I can't fall. If I fall, I lose. I'm gonna try to climb this entire wall. I can't fail this obby. I can't fail this obby. Ah! I can't fail this obby. 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 Wait, I'm not. I make obby. Oh, I thought that was a fun request, but it was just that. This hobby is hard. Why did I make it so hard? Oh! Oh! This hobby is hard. This hobby is hard. Oh, someone joined. Hi. I can do that weapon mode. But what about this jump? It's so hard. That jump is the hardest. Wait. This obby is hard. This obby is hard. Like, what is this? Like, what is this jump? What is this jump? What is this jump? Can I just please do this jump? Oh. A60. A16, what is it? 16, what is it? Oh, okay. My brother's trying to get in my video. Someone's making his studs. The stud obbies are way better. Why do they not make it stud? Oh, they're just making grass. Can you do a time lapse? Do a time lapse, please. Guys, don't ruin the obby. Don't ruin the obby. Don't ruin the obby. I'm strong enough to push this giant brick.